Hello and welcome to Roy's RC Model Review. In this video we will be doing a mini review of the Cloud Dancer self-build kit from Dancing Wings. My kit and all of the associated hardware was supplied by Formax. The adhesives all came from Deluxe materials. The kit supplies all of the ply and balsa, which is nicely laser cut, and a complete set of hardware which is of good quality. The only thing that lets it down is the instruction manual, which lacks any real detail. The only real fault with the kit is that the wing panel root ribs were not set to the correct dihedral angle and needed to be adjusted before the wings could be joined. I also have a couple of other minor gripes. Firstly, the short wood length used in the kit adds a degree of unnecessary complexity to the wing construction. And secondly, the wing sheeting varies considerably in its density, so it pays therefore to weigh and match the sheets before fitting. The completed model overall is very good and has excellent flying qualities. It is ideally suited to its role as a basic trainer. This is helped by its very low wing loading. The stall is gentle, producing only a gentle pitching. All basic aerobatics are possible, loops, rolls, stall turns, etc. But inverted flight will require a large down input. Spins are also possible, but again require a lot of control input to induce. Conclusion: is it a good kit? Yes, but it's not perfect. I would recommend it, but with the caveat that previous building experience is required. I'll shut up now and let you enjoy the rest of the flying. Yep. Yeah, this will be it. This is the last.
You're looking cold. Yeah, but yeah, exactly. Yeah, please. Yeah, go Roy knows. Yeah. What's he on his head? He's trying to film it. He's got his camera fixed to his cap.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then please let me know in the comments. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification button. Thank you very much for watching. This has been Roy's RC Models.